How to cancel your Microsoft Copilot subscription. So if you don't want to use it anymore and you want to stop billing, the cancellation option is hidden inside our Microsoft account. So if you are in Copilot like me, you have to click on your profile in bottom left corner and simply click on subscription. And from here we can manage our subscription if we click on manage subscription. And this is going to basically redirect us to my or our Microsoft account. And here you can see my subscription, which is 10 euros per month. And if you want to cancel it, you just have to cancel subscription, or you can also turn off recurring billing. But we want to cancel it, so I'm going to click on cancel and make sure you know you are going to lose edit access to your files and more. So you can see I'm currently signed on a 3 of 5 device with my subscription, and I will lose AI-powered experiences in productivity apps like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Outlook. They basically don't want you to cancel it, so they are giving me 2 months for free. So you can also use this option if you want. And if you want to cancel it, you have to scroll to cancel subscription. So there are two ways how you can cancel it now. The first one is you can cancel it and you can like use it till the next billing, and then you are not going to be charged, but you can use still your subscription till the end. Or if you click on today, you can end it right now and you should get refund of your subscription price. And then you just have to simply click on end subscription, all right? I'm not going to do it right now, but you just have to click on it and then it should be okay. Maybe one more confirmation and after that you should be cancelled. Okay, so this was a quick video how to cancel your Microsoft Copilot subscription. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.